In this video, I'll show you how to join the ByBit Referral program. If you haven't started using ByBit yet, make sure to check the link in the description to sign up for free and claim a generous welcome bonus. To access the referral program, start by opening your ByBit app and tapping the profile icon at the top left of the home screen. Next, select Invite Friends to enter the referral dashboard. Here, you can invite friends and earn over $1,717 along with up to 30% commission on the trades made by your referrals. Simply scroll down to find your personal referral link, copy it to your clipboard, and share it wherever you'd like. You can also tap the Invite Friends button to easily send your link via social media platforms. The dashboard below will help you track referrals and commissions. ByBit also offers referral challenges and multiple rewards, starting with just one invite and scaling as your referral activity grows. The default commission rate is 20%, which can increase up to 30% based on your performance. If you're new to ByBit, don't miss the opportunity to join using the link in the description. Best of luck with your referral journey. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe,